This is a super easy back strengthening workout video that you can just follow along at home. So hope you enjoy!
Now that we're all warmed up, we're going to work on some back exercises.
First, we'll start off with 15 back ups. Then we'll suspend our back for 15 seconds, like a half Superman. Then we'll actually do Superman for 15 times. Then we'll hold it for 15 seconds. After that, we'll do dish slices. And lastly, we'll do dish kicks. Woo! I hope you're ready, because we're gonna start now. Back exercises are great for avoiding back, shoulder, and neck pain. Exercising our back helps with better posture, so don't just train your abs.
Looking for something, chasing the sun. All those days, trying to find a place where you only can just be alone, All those nights lying by your side, like it's a vibe, feeling it shine under your spotlight. That's the way every day goes. Looking back, I know we started falling. We were falling in love, yeah. Took my heart and you rode off. Was I feeling never enough for you, baby? When you left me chasing you, trying to find a place where we can be.
Alright, we're done! Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you!